and coordination. Animals' nervous system. Hello children, welcome to today's class. In our previous class, we have learned many important things about life processes and how it involves in the maintenance of living organisms. In today's class, let us know about control and coordination. In our earlier class, we have learned that movement is an indication of life process, but sometimes movement associates with growth like seeds germination, and some other times it doesn't associate with growth like movement of sunflower. In case of animals or human beings, most of the movements are response to change in the environment. Example, when we touch a hot body, we withdraw hands immediately. We detect the change of the hot body and respond to it by moving hands away from the hot body to protect from burnt. Any movement in response to environment is controlled by a system in our body. For example, when we are in class, if we want to speak to a friend, generally we speak in a lower voice or whispers rather than shouting. Why? Because we can recognize the environment around us in the class. Here, movement is whether to whisper or shout, and the environment is the class. Therefore, controlled movement must be connected to recognition of various events in environment followed by correct movement in response. For example, when you are climbing stairs, how can you manage to climb without falling? Usually, when we climb anything, we try to take support of something with or without our knowledge. In this case, support we take is the controlled movement in response to stairs by recognizing the environment that we may be fall if we don't take support. Have you ever wondered how all these activities works in such coordination in perfect compatibility with control over the movements? Let's all due to the functioning of our nervous system perfectly. All these activities are controlled and managed by a nervous system. Now let us discuss about nervous system in animals in detail and let us learn few more interesting things. As we learned earlier, based on the body organization in multicellular organisms, specialized tissues and specialized systems are involved to perform these functions. In animals, control and coordination are controlled by nervous and muscular system. Let us discuss how nervous and muscular system coordinates with each other. For example, if you need to pick an object from the ground, then how will you pick it? We need to focus on the object, then bend our back, that is vertebral column, then bend your legs, finally hands have to pick and fingers has to grasp it. Here we can find how many organs are coordinated in such a small activity. The vertebral column, legs, eyes, hands and even fingers, when all they are together coordinate, then an activity can be completed. How nervous system detect the change in the environment or recognize the information in the environment? It can recognize or detect with the help of the special cells of nervous system called as neurons, which responds to stimuli and coordinates with their activity. The system made up of nerve cells is called as nervous system.